Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to install the iOS 26 developer beta on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First of all, make sure your iPhone is compatible with iOS 26. After that, sign in with your Apple ID at developer.apple.com. To do so, open Safari browser and find developer.apple.com next. Enroll your iPhone in the Apple Developer Program if you haven't already. Now go back to home screen and on your iPhone, go to Settings. Tap General, then tap Software Update. On this screen, tap Beta Updates. Select iOS 26 Developer Beta from the list. Go back and wait for the iOS 26 beta to appear under Software Update. Now, tap Download and Install. This will take time cause of big gigs file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Your iPhone will restart once the update is finished installing. So guys, you can enjoy the brand new iOS 26 feature on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.